Yeah, so we can continue that. So general organic chemistry chapter. So for example, SN1 reaction. So that SN1. So rate of SN1 reaction is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. So this is very important. So rate of SN1 reaction is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation, and this is the first point. And second point, so alcohol tertiary alcohol or tertiary alkyl halides or tertiary alkyl ethers. So these and all generally undergoes because of more stable carbocation. Carbocation is the reason. So what are the examples? So for example, alkyl fluoride is there, alkyl chloride, then alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. So this is the very important. So the rate of reactivity, you can see that alkyl iodides are very big size and easily highly polarizable, so that easily it can breakable. And second example, for example, chloride is there, and again bromide is there, and iodine is there. So what are the tertiary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl bromide, and tertiary butyl iodide? So this is the rate of, so SN1 reaction, the rate of reactivity is follows like this. And third example, so for example, the SN1 reaction, so tertiary butyl bromide and tertiary butyl bromide, so this is in water medium, this is in DMF. So now the rate of SN1 reaction is effective in polar protic solvent. So that's why the polar protic, because it follows, SN1 reaction follows ionic mechanism, so non-constructed mechanism. So there is a, that's why it is ionic mechanism, it is stabilized by the polar protic solvent, so that tertiary butyl bromide, the reactivity is higher in H2O. Another fourth example, so yeah, for example, tertiary butyl bromide and the hydrogens are replaced with deuterium. So now this is the order. So now because the breaking of deuterium is higher energy is required, so this is the isotopic effect, then CH3 and CD3. So now this is the, because the normal hydrogen alkyl halides are more reactive than replaced with deuterium alkyl halides. So another example, for example, the fifth one is that, for example, allyl chloride is there, and so now benzyl chloride is there, and tertiary butyl chloride is there. So now the stability, you can see this is the now this is the allylic carbocation, and this is the benzylic carbocation and tertiary butyl carbocation. So but the tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than allylic and benzylic. So what is the order of reactivity towards SN1 reaction? So tertiary, third one, followed by benzyl, then allyl. So this is the order of reactivity. Then another one, the sixth one, so sixth example, for example, tertiary butyl bromide and allyl, tertiary butyl and yeah, so in this example, for example, tertiary butyl bromide and tertiary allyl bromide and tertiary phenyl benzyl bromide. So compared to here, so you can see that because even though it is here it is forming a tertiary carbocation, and but because of tertiary, all these three are tertiary, but because of phenyl is more resonance stabilized than allyl, then tertiary alkyl. Yeah. So that's why you can see that even though tertiary, this is also a tertiary carbocation, and now this is the tertiary allyl carbocation, then this is the so tertiary allyl, and so here you can see this triphenyl. So that's why the reactivity will be the increasing conjugation. So there is a increasing conjugation shows that tertiary, then what are the rate of reactivity in this example? So 1 2 3, so 3 is more reactive than second one, then first one, because you can see here in triphenyl is there, so more resonance stabilization of alkyl halides. So another one very important is that, for example, so benzyl chloride is there, and now so one hydrogen is replaced with CH3, then Cl, and another one is that CH3 and CH3 and Cl. So in this example, the alpha hydrogens are very important. You can see here two alpha hydrogens are there, and here one alpha hydrogen is there, but here no alpha hydrogen. So because in this example, so because of the benzyl carbocation is having the more, because hyperconjugation is very possible, so that the rate of reactivity is 1 followed second one, then third one. So this is the SN1 reactivity. So seventh example, so for example all are benzyl bromide, but it is substituted benzyl bromide, and the second one is the benzyl bromide with the methyl group, and another one also a benzyl bromide with ethyl, then so isopropyl CH2 and Br isopropyl, and the other one is that benzyl bromide with tertiary butyl. So now the rate of SN1 reaction, for example 1 2 3 4 5 rate of substitution reaction, because you can see here, so 3 alpha hydrogens is there, and here 2 alpha hydrogens are there, and here 1 alpha hydrogen is there, but here 0 alpha hydrogens. So what are the, because number of alpha hydrogens are increases, the positive hyperconjugation structures also positive, so that so second one is more reactive, then followed by third one and fourth one, then fifth one, then first one. So this is the rate of reactivity of SN1 reaction. So eighth example, so for example electron so withdrawing group, for example, for example, you can see that CH2 iodine, and here it is NO2, and which of the following is more reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction, and if it is a OCH3 and now CH2I and Cl. So in these examples you can see that because it is a very strong electron withdrawing group, so very strong deactivating group, so the bond will break very easily because it makes a loose. So now that's why the 1 2 3, so it is a donating group, so it will it will increases the electron density here. So the rate of reactivity is that first is, then third one, then second one. So this is the rate of reaction. So another, for example, so CH3 is there and oxygen is there and CHBr and CH3 is there and is replaced with CH3 and CHBr and CH3. So in this example, for example, here once it will form a carbocation, there is a resonance effect is there. So this is the neighboring group participation. That's why this one is more reactive compared to 2-bromopropane. So another example you can see here. So for example, iodine is there and now so adjacent position oxygen is there, and this is the, so now the rate of substitution reaction, because it is a minus I effect. So minus I inductive effect is a distant dependent effect, so that the rate of reactivity is that 1, 2, 3. So now second one is more reactive, then third one, then least one is the first one. And you can see that so then another one, cyclopropyl bromide is there and cyclomethylene bromide is there. Cyclopropyl methylene bromide. So among this one, this is the very more reactive. Why? Because so once it will form a CH2 plus, so there is a so because of here this participation is like that. That's why cyclopropyl methylene carbocation is more stable than a simple normal cyclopropyl carbocation. And same manner, for example, CH2Cl is there and now so CH, another cyclopropyl is there and here Cl, and you can see now the cyclopropyl and here cyclopropyl ring. So now so more reactive, so more 3 members are there, so it will be more reactive. So that's why it will be followed by a third one, second one, then first one. So this is the rate of substitution reaction. And so for example, so which is more reactive, alkyl halide. So now this is the Br, and now so this is the Br, so like this. So now what is the which is more reactive here is that, so now you can see that because it will form a plus charge and it will form a plus charge here and it loses plus charge here, but second is more reactive. Why? Because it will form a cyclopropylium cation. So propylium cation, so now because if it is aromatic, cyclopropylium cation is the aromatic, so now it follows the aromatic. So it is the second one is more reactive, then third one, then first one. So this is the order of reactivity. And so you can see here some more examples. So similarly, for example, very important example, this one, for example, cyclo say here CH3 is there and Br is there, and so here so Br is there and so now here Br is there. So among these two, so the rate of reactivity is that, so which is more reactive means, so this is the, for example, 1, 2, 3. So now this is the more reactive. So why? Because so now it will follows it is no, it is a least reactive because it is anti-aromatic. It is anti-aromatic. So it loses aromatic character, so that it is a very least reactive, so that reactivity is 1 is greater than second is third one. So this is the rate of substitution reactions. And so another example is that, so for example, yeah, this is tropylium cation. Tropylium cation, you can see here double bond, here double bond, and here double bond is there, and here Cl is there. So now, and so now it is the, so like that, here two double bonds are there, and here Cl is there, and one double bond is there. Cl is there, but no double bond. So yes, for example, you can see like this. So once SN, because once it will form a carbocation here, so now it is aromatic compound. Tropylium cation is aromatic. Tropylium cation is aromatic nature, so that it will stabilize it by aromatic. So 1 2 like that. So it follows aromatic character, so that it is a more reactive. And anyhow two double bonds is there, then more than. So what is the order? 1 2 3 4. So one is more reactive, then second one, then third one, then fourth one. So this is the order of substitution reactivity. So please note down examples. So please note down the examples, very important example. This is also very important example. Inductive based and resonance based and hyperconjugation based. Yes. So now we can expect that which is more stable reactive means. For example, yeah. So now here Br is there. So now Br is there. So in this one, now it is a 1 bromo, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 bromopentane, and but this one is 1 2 3 4 5 6. For example, this is the 3 bromo, this is 2 bromo, but here, so how many alpha hydrogens are there? Here 5 alpha hydrogens are there, 5 alpha, here 4 alpha hydrogens. So that's why number of increasing, the more number of alpha hydrogen, the rate of reactivity is increases. And similarly, for example, so here Cl is there, and for example Cl is there. So here, so CH3 and alpha hydrogens. So we have to count the number of alpha hydrogens. So this is more reactive. This is more reactive. Then yeah, for example tertiary butyl chloride, and so like this, it is a chloride is there, but so this is a tertiary butyl, so it is a more reactive than, so because it is a primary alkyl halide. So another one, for example, so cyclic system. So now here halogen is there, and here Cl is there. So now this is the more reactive, because this, so there is a neighboring participation, but according to Betts rule, so this carbocation is not possible. So very important, for example, here Br is there in H2O and ethyl alcohol, so there is at room temperature, so because of SN2 reaction, so that's why it follows a two product, so it is a racemic product, racemic product is expected. And a second example, for example, so this is the reaction, and it will loses carbocation, for example sodium hydroxide reaction. So what will form? So it will form a carbocation here, and there is a rearrangement. You can see this is now 5-membered ring become 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that's why there is a possibility of 6-membered ring. So now this is the more stable carbocation. And similarly, for example, so now this is the halogen is there. So once it loses halogen, so it will form a carbocation here. So to stabilize this carbocation, now this the ring expansion 1 2 3 4 5. So 5-membered ring. So nothing but, so like this. So this is the more stable carbocation, and further this ring expansion also taking place. So both will become a 5-membered ring like that. So for example, adding water, so it forms so OH. So like this product also expected. So this is the rearrangement of carbocation is the possibility is there. So please note down. And another examples, for example, so for example allyl cyclohexenyl bromide we are taking under reaction with water, so there is a possibility of OH. So what is the mechanism here is that there is a, so allyl carbocation is the more stable, so that it can form H2 as a neutral nucleophile, and it can form a OH molecule. So this is the product. And even for example rearrangement also it is possible. For example, you can see here Br is there. So once this Br can be break here, so it will form now carbocation here, but because of the 1,2 shift of hydride ion shift, so it will takes place to convert allyl carbocation then H2O, and it leads to this product. So if it is there, you can see now the you can notice that the different substrate. So this is the, but here it is a secondary alkyl, and after shifting of hydride shift it is converted into allylic system. So that's why the carbocation rearrangement also it is a possible. So for example, which is more reactive? So alkyl halide, in the sense this is the first one, and another example is that, so this is the another example. So compared to this one, because it will form a, so here secondary carbocation, but here so there is a resonance stabilization. So this is the second one, the first one and second one. So second one is more reactive than first one. So this is the about the reactivity. Yes. So for example, SN2 reaction. So for SN2, just a couple of examples we will look. For example, methyl halogen is there, and ethyl halogen is there, and propyl halogen is there, and butyl halogen is there. So now increasing the bulky group, SN2 reactivity is decreases. So this is the SN2 reactivity. And another, for example, another one, so alpha, then the substituted halogen is there, and you can see that. So now this is the halogen. Towards SN2 reaction, the rate of reactivity is decreases. So because at alpha position the bulky group, because of steric hindrance, the reactivity is decreases. Whereas the, for example, it is the alkyl halide and allyl halide, but the rate of reaction even in so SN2 reaction, so also allylic system is more reactive. So and for example you can see that this is the carbonyl and this is the Br, and this is the Br. So now towards the SN2 reaction, so which is more reactive? For example, this is a beta keto. Yeah, what is IUPAC name of this one? So 2-oxo 1-bromopropane, 2-oxo 1-bromopropane. But 1-bromopropane, because of this carbonyl is more electron withdrawing group, so that it will the bond between bromine and carbon will be weakening, so that it will be easily reactive. So these are some examples of nucleophilic substitution reactions. Thank you.